What is up, family? Welcome back to the channel. Hanging out the crib here before a big day coming up tomorrow. So got the gear sitting up there ready to go. I'm gonna make a makeshift GoPro selfie stick out of, I guess this is like a monopod for my main camera here. But I'm gonna make it a GoPro selfie stick for the Pow Pow day tomorrow. Got the board good to go. Boots and the bindings down there, or the bindings are on the board. Boots, you get the picture. I was watching some old family videos. I think I made a video about old family videos a while back. I'll link that right here if you want to watch it. But I was just noticing on this video right here, this is like back in 1990, hanging at my grandparents' house. That's me right there. Well, here, I'll just play it for a second.
That's a stunner there. Don't you drop it, Jordan.
Anyway, there's me. A little stud. Let me take it back to this scene. Okay, so I'm going to pause it right there. If you notice Dad's shirt right here, check this out. Same shirt, baby. And this is back in 1990, so that's 33 years at least. I don't know when this shirt was manufactured, but I forgot that that's where I got this. This is Dad's shirt, and I wear this a lot. I wear it to freaking, out on the town sometimes. But Dad was a stud, so I'm trying to keep this shirt in best possible condition I can. But anyway, that's my Friday evening. Tomorrow is Saturday. I'm going boarding. Got to get some mind clearing adventure going on because it's been a winter and I really want to get up and just enjoy the mountains while the sun's out. It's like 32 degrees up in Keystone tomorrow. That's where I'll be going. So see you first thing in the morning when it's daylight. Time to go. Okay, let's get on the road. Gets the worm. I got up here too late, so I have to head down to the power line lot. Alright, I made it to the power line lot. Here we are. It's a bit of a ways away from the resort, but there's a bus going back and forth. Yeah, this is the hot time of the year up here, I guess. There's a couple of resorts that are blacked out on my Epic Pass today. Keystone wasn't listed as one of them, so pray to God I can get over there and at least get up the lift. We're going to switch over to GoPro mode for the rest of the day because I'm not taking all my camera stuff. Hopefully everything goes according to plan here. Well, sure enough, I didn't record this, but when I got up to the lift, my pass was not valid for this particular weekend. So, what do you do? My pass is restricted today. I did get an email a while back saying there was restrictions because it is President's Day weekend. I looked on there and I thought it just said Vail and Loveland and Beaver Creek or whatever. were the restricted ones on my specific pass, but that was not the case. So was Keystone. So, you know, I'm already up here in the mountains, so when you get lemons, you just gotta make lemonade out of them, and it's beautiful up here. So I'm just gonna go get some drone shots of the mountains and just chill up here for a while, just enjoy it for a little bit. It means it's only like 11:30 in the morning, it's not even noon yet, so it is what it is. While I'm here, I gotta stop and see the sign.
It's like for people who really know what they're doing, kind of deal. So right now, there's a bunch of booters that all these like, I guess, kind of non-locals hit or made, and they're so much fun right now. Just pop in the air, getting grabs.
It's a beautiful day up here right now too. I just went up to Keystone and realized I'm on the blackout on my pass right now.
Wait, is it a blackout day?
Yeah,
I have a Keystone pass too. So.
Yeah, President's Day weekend, so it was like.
No shit.
They
Okay.
sent me an email and I thought it was just like.
I'm glad I didn't go because I would have figured that out.
Right?
But dude, try this.
I think I'm right. That's what I was asking you. How long it takes for somebody to pick you up.
I mean, if you're at the top, dude. I mean, even if you're at the bottom, if you see a 98 4Runner that says it has a "Don't Mind Glenwood" sticker on it, if you can't find a way ride up, just like stand by that truck, dude. I'll fucking hurry you up, man.
You park down there.
Yeah, I'm at the bottom. A lot of people park at the top and then get rides up. It's really, I mean, dude, it's really not that bad. As long as you have an idea of what you're doing on your skis, you'll be fine. Like, I'm going without poles. I'm just trying to hit.
Cool, man.
Hey, man. Yeah, man. I'll see you down at the bottom.
Yeah, sounds good. Appreciate the info.
Yes, sir.
That's all for now. Peace. GoPro stop recording.